Hi, my name is Kayla Robbie, a product review expert and bargain hunter. Today, I'm going to discuss the top 5 products you are searching for. I have selected these products on my top 5 list after hours of research, feature reviews, and performance analysis. Let's go and see the top 5 product reviews now.
This is the Bosch 1191 VSRK single-speed hammer drill. This tool provides ample power at a great value, which makes it perfect for HVAC contractors, electricians, roofers, carpenters, and those in metal construction. The 1191 VSRK was designed to be compact without compromising on performance. With a 7-amp motor and measuring only 11 inches long, this is perfect for small diameter drilling. The half-inch 3-jaw chuck was designed for more rugged hammer drilling applications. The 360-degree auxiliary handle has a built-in quick-release depth gauge, which gives you more control, as well as the ability to maintain consistent drilling depth. A 2-mode selector lets you easily change between rotation only and hammer drill modes. The variable speed trigger helps ensure accurate bit starting, as well as the ability to remove fasteners or bound bits. So this is it. The Bosch 1191 VSRK single speed hammer drill. For more information on this tool, reference this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.
watching the video. As I said at the beginning, I'm a bargain hunter, and I have found a big discount link for you. Please have a look at the description below and get your special discount link now.